today. I'm down here today because I had to weed whack and mow my parents' yard. But I got this brand new axe. Never used it. It's a Fiskars, and I just want to try and see if I could split this one chunk that my brother cut. See if I could split it up. When I watch videos, the guys with all the big man muscles, they make it look easy. So I'm going to see if it is easy or if it's hard. If it's hard, I probably won't show this video. I don't know where to split it, like where to hit. Ooh, this is wet. I don't know if that matters, but we'll find out. Just want to see if I can split it. I have a splitter, but like an electric one, but I don't want to have to roll it up the hill. So let's see if I can do this. Ooh, no. I don't know if it's because it's wet. This is brand new. I might have to sharpen it. I'm not even putting a dent in it, barely. Fudge. Said that you can cut it or split it when it's wet. It's easier when it's dry, and that I need muscle milk. We all know that. I did sharpen it a little bit, so let's see if that makes a difference and if I can finally split my first log, well, chunk of wood. Fudge. Way off. I know I keep hitting all over, and I'm trying to hit in a line. It's not working out so good, but I'm not quitting yet. I got hair everywhere. Take a break for a minute. I'm getting tired. But I'm not done yet. I'm not a quitter. Sharpen this, spun it around. And let's see if I can finally split it. If not, I'm going to call it quits after a bit, because it is exhausting. And again, I don't have man muscles, so I can only do so much, but I'm going to give it another shot. Fudge. I wonder if I should flip it over and cut it. That'd make a difference. But nothing's split yet, so I just figure I'll just keep hacking away at the same side. Way off that time. But just so wet. Fudge. Wrong spot. Oh, wait. Maybe you can split wet wood after all. I got two pieces, but it's still pathetic. One felt good. Made a little bit. I like it. throw that crap out of the way. If I was doing it right, I probably wouldn't be shredding it like that. A little further. Still a long ways to go because I don't want all the pieces like that, even though it would be easier to carry them that way. Wouldn't last very long in the stove. I feel like I'm making progress, like it's gonna do something, but it's not doing nothing yet. Let's hope I can split that corner off. Even though it's round, they don't have corners. Way off. Nope, still looks the same. Ooh, that didn't sound good. Hit it sideways, but now I got 3 pieces. Still sucks. I'm gonna make this video how not to split wood. Ooh, shiza. I need to concentrate better, or it's hitting something at an angle. Like, see, this should be splitting it. Like, I'm smacking it, it's slicing through, and just white stuff seeps out. Oh, this is BS. I'm not just trying to. Like, see, that's a good swing, good strike, and no crack. That was a bad spot. Fudge. I want this to actually be firewood, not just kindling. So I might just say heck with it, cover it with something so it can dry out, and then try and split this chunk, or another chunk that he cut off, and split them when they're dry and they're lighter, and the axe will cut through it easier. Because yeah, I'm hacking it, and I wanted like 2 good pieces, and I got still 1 big chunk and 2 for kindling. So yeah, please, we could see obviously that I suck at this, so I would appreciate if you could tell me if I really can cut it when it's wet, or I should just save my energy and wait till it's dry, or if I'm swinging it wrong, if I need to have a certain spot. I'm like, I could get a split maul and put it in the middle, but then again, I wouldn't know what to do with it. But I just wanted to have fun since I came here to mow the yard. Didn't plan on doing this, but just thought it'd be fun to try and swing, and it's not so much fun now. But it's definitely a lesson learned that my chainsaw is a lot better. So again, if today's video might have been good, might have been bad, we learned what not to do. But please click like or subscribe. because I need some. But yeah, thanks guys, I appreciate you. I gotta take my axe up, let this sucker dry out and the rest of it dry out. And hopefully next time I come back down here to work on the property, this gonna be ready for me to finally cut it into 2 decent sections. Thanks guys, I appreciate you.